ejection tool. Use a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat around the edges of the back cover to soften the adhesive beneath. Insert an eye sesamo into the seam between the midframe and the back cover and pry the back cover free. To separate the two halves of the midframe, we will remove the 13 small Phillips screws from around the device. We'll heat the top and the bottom of the LCD. We'll then insert an eye sesamo into the seam between the LCD assembly and the midframe. Once we've developed a small gap, we can switch to a plastic opening tool to pry the two halves apart. Use a nylon spudger to disconnect the battery from the motherboard, and pry the battery from the adhesive holding it to the back of the LCD. From the inside of the midframe, we'll pry the contacts for the inductive charger free. And then we'll flip it over and use the fine tip curved tweezers to run under the edges of the inductive charger and then to free the ribbon from the midframe. Be very careful when lifting this ribbon as it is very fragile. And there we have the inductive charger. We'll feed the contacts for the inductive charger through the opening in the midframe and adhere them to the inside. We'll then re-adhere the ribbon to the back of the midframe and then re-adhere the edges of the inductive charger. Re-adhere the battery to the back of the LCD, and reconnect the battery to the motherboard. We'll insert the bottom half of the LCD assembly with the charging port connection into the midframe first. Then we'll press the LCD assembly into the midframe, and we'll replace all 13 small Phillips screws.